In this video, we will be working through an example of what a typical task will look like. There are three main pieces that we will need to work through: the prompt, annotator number 1 response, and annotator number 2's response. Our task is to determine if each of these pieces are valid. First, we will look at the prompt to determine if it is valid. With respect to HbA1c level at 26 weeks, characterize the reported difference between patients receiving liraglutide 0.6 milligrams plus glimepiride and those receiving placebo plus glimepiride. This initially seems reasonable and follows a good template. If we look at the annotator's responses, the answers and reasonings seem to be valid. However, we must look to find where this is in the text and ensure that it is, in fact, valid. If we click on the results section, we can see that the reasoning selected by annotator number 1 and annotator number 2 is highlighted. After reading the paragraph that contains the answer, we can clearly state that the prompt is valid. All three of the components of the prompt were talked about in this paragraph. Specifically, HbA1c at week 26 was talked about, in addition to liraglutide and glimepiride plus placebo. We can state that the prompt is officially valid. We can also state that the reasoning of both annotators is also valid. Lastly, we can see that HbA1c is decreased through the addition of glimepiride to liraglutide. Therefore, an answer of significantly decreased is valid. Lastly, we will accept the prompt and accept the answers, and then submit to move on to the next task.